Hey, thank you so much for joining this video. And I wanted to give you a quick rundown of what the lenders are looking for in order for you to qualify for your home loan. And this is pretty simple. I want to show you quickly a little graph that pretty much highlights the three main things that the lender will look for in order for you to qualify. So this quick checklist is going to let us know what the lenders are looking for. So right here on our left are the three items. The first is the debt to income ratio. The debt to income is it's an addition of all your income and your debt. So the bank is going to look at all your monthly obligations, such as your mortgages, bank loans, a car payment if you have one, student loans, credit card bills. So anything that shows in your credit, that's what the lender is going to be looking at in order for you to calculate how much house you can afford. They will not look at your cell phone bill, car insurance, utilities. So only they will look at the things that show in your credit when they pull your credit. And what this is going to do is they're going to take all your debt, they're going to add the new payment for the house, and then they're going to divide it by your pre-tax income. So all the money that comes into your paycheck before taxes, they're going to look at that and they're going to divide these two numbers to come up with the debt to income ratio, or the DTI. Typically, to qualify for a loan, you need to be in the 45s. FHA loans will get you up to 55% of your income to your liability. So they will let you borrow up to 55% of your total pre-tax income. So that's the first thing, debt to income. Then the second item, which is important, is your assets, which is right here in the middle. Assets means how much money you have available in order to put down as a down payment for your house. But we do have options there. As you can see, there's different loan programs that we can go for. If you're a VA or a veteran, you have a 0 down payment option. Most people will do what is called an FHA loan, which requires only 3.5% of your purchase price in order to qualify. So the bank will want to know, where are you having this money available in order to purchase? The cool thing about new construction is that you might be able to save it. So we can come up with a savings plan. If you don't have all the money together, we can create a savings plan in order for you to save your 3.5%. So by the time your house is ready, then you have your down payment. So that's the second, assets. The third thing that they will look at is your credit, which is right here. And depending on your credit, depending on how good your credit is, what the lender is going to give you as far as your percentage rate. FHA, which is our typical loan program, will go as low as 580 on your credit score. But of course, the higher your credit score, the better terms you're going to get, the cheaper your payment's going to be. But we can get started with any type of loan, and they have different programs. So if your credit is really, really low, then you're going to be limited to certain loan programs. If your credit is higher, then we can talk about a conventional loan, and some other type of loans are going to give you a better term. It's just a little bit harder to qualify, but those are the three things: your debt to income, how much money you have in the bank, and your credit. So we'll look at those three and see which programs you qualify for. And then that way we're going to see what type of house you'll be able to afford. But we can do all this for you. We have an excellent lender on board, and we can determine those three things pretty quickly. We could do the same day in approvals, and we can figure this out pretty quickly, so you know where you're standing. Even if you're not planning to buy a home, it is recommended for you to run these numbers to be able to know what you need to do in order to get it. So we're going to leave a link down below for our lender application. If you guys want to go ahead and run these numbers, we can do it for free, totally free, and then you'll get all your results the same day. If you have any questions, of course, we're always here. Thank you very much. You have a great one.